Good morning to all of you. Now we are going to discuss some other elements of UNO. Harman, can you explain that? What is the role of India in ending wars in other countries?
India has been helping many nations in war period and also has been helping many countries from suffrage of war. India has helped to end civil war in Korea. India had a hand in the maintenance of peace in Laos and Indochina. India represents itself as a peace maintaining country in the UN. Now Anmol, can you explain me why is India claiming its permanent membership for the Security Council in UN?
India is a founding member of UNO. At that time, India was not a free country, but it had attended its conference. India has always cooperated with UNO in its military peaceful operation and also sent its armed forces on peaceful mission at a call of Security Council of UNO. India has served as a non-permanent member of Security Council several times. Many Prime Ministers of India have advocated permanent membership of the Security Council with veto power because India deserves it. When the government of United Progressive Alliance was formed in India in 2004, under the Prime Ministership of Dr. Manmohan Singh, it declared to get permanent membership for India in the Security Council as included in its minimum program.
Chetan, will you explain what do you know about UNO and India?
India is the original member of UNO. When the UNO was established in 1945, 51 countries had become the members of this international organization and India was one from them. India always follows the terms and conditions of UNO. India has provided the fundamental rights to its citizens, which are based on the human rights of UNO. So India contributes in UNO but could not become the permanent member of Security Council till now. So Guru Pratap, will you explain what is the contribution of UN in world peace?
The United Nations is an international organization whose purposes are to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among the nations, and achieve international cooperation. The United Nations was established after the World War II to reduce the danger of wars in the world. After establishment of this organization, all the countries try to solve their problems and conflicts through mutual talking.
Today is 24th of October and we are celebrating the UNO Day. This day is celebrated every year. We have given a speech to give you information about UNO and its policies. And I hope that UNO will keep promoting peace throughout the world and will help the nation in stopping the war.